So we just launched Prep Insta Prime subscription, which is like 150 plus courses under one subscription. So it has courses like C, C++, Java, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, data structures, competitive coding, even company specific courses like TCS, NQT, Infosys, TCS Digital, Amazon, etc. The link is in the description of the video. Go check that out. I'm sure that you'll love that.
Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So in this video, we'll be covering the questions and answers for DXC, logical reasoning. So make sure while I'll be covering all those questions, you have a pen and paper along with you so that you can solve those questions when I'm solving those questions. You can pause the video for that while when I'm showing you the next question, and you can solve in the parallel, and you can give comments in the comment section. Okay, now let's see the very first question over here. That is, before moving forward, guys, make sure you follow us on all our social media handles. This is Instagram, Discord, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. It's very important for you people to follow us on Instagram, guys, because we keep on giving updates for off-campus and on-campus drives. So make sure you follow us on our Instagram handle. The link for the same is in the description of the video. You can get the links from there. One important thing, guys, the people who are 2023 year pass out or 2024 year pass out, we have a separate Instagram handles for every year pass out batch. So make sure you follow your own pass out Instagram handle. Again, the link for the same in the description of the video. So very first question is, the question consists of a problem question. Find out if the information given in the starter solution to the problem. Okay, so this is basically the data sufficiency problem from logical reasoning. So let's see this problem here. So the very first thing they have given is, what is the seventh number? They are asking what is the seventh number in this particular question. Now let's see the statements now. So the very first statement is, third and the fourth numbers are 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, they have given the third and the fourth numbers are 3 and 4. Can I answer what is the seventh number? By using third number is 3 and the fourth number is 4. Can I say seventh number? What is the seventh number? No, I can't say. Now moving forward, the fifth and the sixth numbers are 5 and 6. Now they are saying the fifth and the sixth numbers are 5 and 6. Can I say what is the seventh number now? Can I say? Okay, now I want you people to please comment down and let me know what answer you are getting. What will be the seventh number? Now let's combine these two statements. The third number is 3. The fourth number is 4, the fifth number is 5, and the sixth number is 6, guys. Can I say the seventh number will be 7? No, guys. Why? Though the third number is 3 and the fourth number is 4, the fifth number is 5, and the sixth number is 6, it doesn't mean that the seventh number will be 7 in this order only. So using both the statements, even I can't answer. So let's see which will be the correct option. 1, no. Either of the statement is sufficient? No. Both of the statements are even put together are not sufficient in answering the problem figure. So why I have taken this particular problem, guys? Because this is very confusing problem. If we see this general approach, people know, okay, first, third number is 3, fourth number is 4, fifth is 5, sixth is 6, so 7 will be 7 only. No, 7 number can be anything. The data is insufficient. We cannot answer using both statement together even. Okay, so moving forward, let's see the next one over here. Okay, so the next question is from number series. The next question is from number series, that is, choose the correct option. Now they have given a particular series. Now let's see how the numbers are increasing in this series. Again, guys, you can pause the video, try to solve this problem and give your comments. Okay, now let's see. It's given 8, 12, 24, 60 and so on. Okay, now I can see the numbers are increasing. So surely it will be addition or multiplication operation, because then only I get the increasing series in such way. Now if I see from 8 to 12, if I go with addition, it will be 8 plus 4 is 12. Then I am going 12 plus 12 is 24. So there is no such arrangement I am getting by addition. Let's see any multiplication thing. Okay, my first number is 8. I want to get 12, guys. What should I multiply with 8 so that I should get 12? Can I say 8 into 1.5 will give me 12? Yes or no? Correct? Now let's see 12. Now 12 into what will give me 24? Can I say 2? So I am increasing this number by 0.5. Now let's see. 24 into 2.5. 24 into 2.5. Now what is 24 into 2.5? Again it will be 60, guys. Correct? Now what is the next number? 60 into, it should be 3 only, because already I am increasing this by 0.5. So 60 into 3 is 180, guys. So what will be my correct answer? It's nothing but option number, that is 180, guys. So make sure whenever we are seeing number series questions, we have to see it is increasingly or decreasing series. If it's increasing series, surely it will be a multiplication option. If it's a decreasing series, surely it will be a division option. As the numbers are increasing very rapidly, so it will be multiplication, not addition. Okay, I hope so this is clear, guys. Okay, cool. Now let's move to the next question over here. That is, yeah, so this is a very important question which DXC asks a lot. That is, the word number arrangement machine, when given in an input line of words and the numbers arranged them following are particular rule in each type. Now there is an input which is sending in a machine, and the machine is giving outputs in stepwise. Now so they are asking, if this is the first input and these are the steps after, each step after it's going into a machine. Now this is the final arrangement, and the step 4 is the last step. So step 6 is the last step for this input. Now how many steps will it require for getting the final output of the following input? So they are saying, this is the input, how many steps I should take so that I will come to the last output of this input if I send this input into the same machine. Now whenever we are solving questions of such kind, first we have to see, if I'm sending the input in the example, what kind of steps it's taking place. Okay, so let's see. So when I see this 39, 121, 48, 18, 76, 112, 14, 25, 63 and 96. Let's see the first step. So what you are observing in the first step, that this 14 comes to first place. Okay, can I say this 14 is the smallest number in this whole input? So the smallest number comes at the first place, and rest all the numbers shifted one place back. You can see these, all the numbers are shifted one place back, and this 14 comes to the first place. So my first step will be, or my first operation will be, can I say smallest number takes first place and rest others shift, I can say rightward by one place. Okay, this is my first step. Now let's see what is the second step in the operation. Now from first to second, if you observe, 14 is that position only, 39 is that position only, but if you notice, this 121 went to last position. Can I say in this whole step 1, 121 is the largest number. Now in the step 2, the largest number went to the last place, whereas the others remain the same. So what is the next step? Largest among all went to last place, whereas others remain same. Okay, so this is the second step. Now after this, if I observe, again the 14 then 18 came, again the smallest number came first. So can I say alternatively step 1 and step 2 is taking place. This is step 1, this is step 2. Alternatively, these two steps are taking place. So now I have to see, if I send this input, how many steps will it take to come to the final output? Okay, so let's for a while let me erase this whole so that I'll get the maximum space. So my step 1 is in the smallest number in the first place, then the large number at the last place, and we have to go in this order alternatively. Okay, now let's see. So my input is 101, 85, 66, 49, 73, 39, 142, 25, 115 and 74. So this is my input. Can I say right here input? This is my input. Now let's see the first step. So what will be the first step? The smallest number come at the first place. So what will be the smallest number among these all? 25? Yes. So 25 will come at the first place and rest other will be like this only. I will not write 25, that's already covered. Now what will be the next step? The largest number will go at the last place and other will remain same. So I can write 25. What will be the largest among these all? What is the largest number? I can say among these all the largest number is 142. Yes. Here it's 25, here it's 142. So I can write 101, 85, 66, 49, 73, 39. I will not write 142, 115, 74 and 142 will come at the last place. Again, I will repeat the first step. That will be the smallest number comes in the beginning. So I will write 25. Again, what is the smallest among these all? After 25, it will be 39. So I will write 39, then 101 again, then 85 again, 66, 49, 73, 115, 74 and 142. Now again, fourth step will be, again the largest number will come at the back. So 25, 39. What is the largest among these all? 115, can I say? Yes. So 101, 85, 66, 49, 73, 74, 115 and 142. Because 115 is less than 142, so it will come at the second last place. Again, the fifth step will be the smallest number again. So what is the smallest number among these all? Can I say 49 again? So it will be 29, 39 and 49 now. $85, 66, 73, 74, 115 and 142. So what will be the next step? Next step will be, sixth step will be the largest number will come at the end. So 25, 39, 49. What will be the largest number among these all? 101. So I will write 85, 66, 73, 74, 101, 115 and 142. Now next step will be seventh step. That is nothing but the largest number will come at the end and the smallest number come at the beginning. So after that 85, I will write the smallest number will come. So it will be 25, 39, 49, 66, 85, 73, 74, 101, 115 and 142. Now, what will be the eighth step? Eighth step will be the largest number will come at the back. So 25, 39, 49, 61, 73, 74, 85, 101, 115 and 142. So all these are now in the right order. I got the last step. 25, 39, 49, 51, 73, 74, 75, 85, 101, 115 and 142 all are in this increasing order. So this is my last step. So how many steps I took? I took 8 steps. So my answer is nothing but the option number D here, guys. I hope so this is clear. So this is a very one type of question which comes in this particular problem. So make sure whenever you are solving question of this particular pattern where input is going in the machine and it's coming output, first you have to analyze this input and how it's going into all the steps, and accordingly you will solve your problem figure. I hope so this is clear. Great, guys. Okay, now let's move to the next problem over here. So it's basically from blood relation. So let's see. So A is the wife of B, C is the mother of B, and D, how is C related to A? So let's draw the family tree over here. So A is the wife of B. So if A is the wife, so I can say A will be a female and it's the wife of B. You can go with plus minus approach. It's all your understanding. I am drawing a circle for a female and a square for a male. You can go for plus minus approach also. It's basically your understanding of making a family tree. So A is the wife of B. C is the mother of B. So C is the mother of B. So C is the mother of B and D also. So C is the mother of B and D. That means there will be one person D also who is the cousin of B and A. Okay. Now, how is C related to A? I can say C is related because I know the gender of C also. I know the gender of A also. So C is the mother-in-law because this is the son. Because she is married to A, so obviously she is the son. Now son's wife is, so she will be, C is the mother-in-law of A. So I can say answer is nothing but option number B. Okay, so if you make the family tree, it will be very easy for you to understand and to solve the problem of such kind, guys. Okay, so cool. Now let's see the next problem over here. So that is, yeah. So again, this is one particular kind of a problem which is basically from the logical sequence of order. Okay, so you choose the options in that arranges in the given set of words in the most meaningful order. The order when put together in the logical sequence is according to size, quantity, quality, occurrence of event, value, appearance, and nature and process, etc. So these are the reasons because of which I can find a logic in this such pattern. Okay, now let's see the question over here. So tree, wood, plant, seed, and furniture. So guys, when I see this whole words over here, there's one thing which comes to my mind is it's always on the basis of occurrence of event or a process. Because surely when plant, seed, tree and all this I'm talking about, it's basically a process because it's a occurrence of events and process is happening. So that is the logic over here. Now let's see is option number A is correct or not. 3 is plant and 4 is seed. Okay, can I go, I'm saying plant and then seed and then wood? No, wrong. Then 3, 4, 1, 2. 3 is plant, then 4 is seed, again wrong. 4, 1, 3, 4 is seed and then tree and then plant. No, from seed I will first get plant, not directly. So this is wrong. Surely option number D will be correct. Now let's see how. So 4 is seed. Then from seed I will get a plant. From plant it will become a tree. And when it become a tree, I'll get wood from that tree. And from that wood, I can make furniture. So this is the correct order. Okay. So basically answer is option number D is correct, which is because of the logic of process or occurrence of events or process, the correct process of coming to the end effect and outcome of making a furniture over here. Okay, cool. So now let's move to the next problem here. Okay, so again this problem is from, I can say, statements where two contrary statements are given. Let's see this type. So A statement is, an archaeological survey of India has submitted a report for the Supreme Court that there is no evidence to prove that Rama Setu is man-made. Okay, this is the first statement. Now the second statement is, Mr. Kailash, which is a natural formation, is considered holy and is received by Hindus and Buddhists the world over. Okay, so these are two statements given. Now what kind of options are? If statement A is the cause of statement B, its effect. B is the cause and A is the effect. If both A and B are independent causes, if both A and B are effects of independent causes. So basically, the options are cause and effect, cause and cause, effect and effect, and effect and cause. So what does the cause and effect mean, guys? There is something which is the cause, and because of that cause, something happened that will be the effect of that. Okay, so accordingly, we have to see these two statements, how they are related. So the first statement is talking all about, how the archaeological survey, India have submitted a report and they are saying the cause that the Rama Setu is man-made. Okay, so the cause of ASI report and the cause, so this is the ASI report first. The second is the cause of natural formation is because it's holy and received by Hindu and Buddhist worldwide. So both are cause over here. I cannot say these are the effects of both the causes because no evidence that prove that Rama Setu is man-made and because it's received by Hindu and Buddhist worldwide. So I can say first is wrong. It's not a cause and effect. Both are, it's not cause and effect. If both the statements are independent causes, if both the statements A and B are effects of independent causes, yes, these are the effects of independent causes. Why? Because the Archaeological Survey of India has submitted a report. Because of that report, because of that cause, there is no evidence to prove. So this is the effect. Again, Mr. Kailash has a natural formation considered by, this is the cause and it's the effect. So answer is nothing but option number D. Both are the effects because of independent causes. They are not interrelated to each other. Both the statements are varying from each other. One is talking about the archaeological survey of Rama Setu, while the second is talking about the natural formation of Kailash, which is received by both Hindus and Buddhists worldwide. Clear? So this is how we see problem of such kind, by thinking each statement is particularly one by one. Okay, so let's move ahead and move to the next problem here. Okay, one more thing, guys, make sure whenever you are solving the question of such kind, okay, you should be very particular because a single mistake will make your answer wrong. Again, guys, this is the problem from direction and sense. So I want you again to pause the video, try to solve this paper question over here, and throw your comments in the comment section, and let's see your answer is wrong, right or wrong. You can pause the video when I'm flashing the new question. Okay, so let's see. So if northwest becomes east and northeast becomes south and so on, then what does east become? So basically they are saying they have turned the directions in this order. So whenever we are approaching this kind of particular problem, first we have to make the correct order of directions. So I know this is my north, this is my south, this is my east, and this is my west. And let's draw north south. So this is my northeast, this is my southeast, this is my southwest, and this is my northwest. Now let's see what they are saying. So they are saying the northwest become east. Now northwest become east. So can I say this is northwest generally, but it become east. Generally east is here, so it got turned by 1, 2, 3 numbers. So I shifted east in the anti-clockwise by 3 numbers. So let's shift everything by 3 numbers. So if east shifted here, after east it will be here northeast, then it will be north here, then it will be northwest, then it will be west, and then it will be southwest, it will be south, and it will be southeast. What I have done, I have shifted all by 3 numbers. So if this is east, next will be northeast, then north, then northwest, then west, then southwest, then south, and then southeast. So now they are asking, what does east become? So generally my east is this. Now east will become southwest now. So nothing but option number D here, guys. So my east is southwest. So no matter what direction they have changed, you have to always approach this particular kind of problem in this way. You will not get any wrong answer. Cool, guys? Okay. So let's move to the next problem here now. So next is, so again statement confusion. It's not statement confusion, it's basically from statement and cause and effect problem. So again guys, you can pause the video, try to solve this and throw your comments which options you are thinking it's correct. I'll solve this for you now. Okay, so basically a statement is given and a course of action is given. So there are 3 kind of problems which comes in this type, that is statement confusion, statement assumption, and statement course of action. So what do you mean by course of action, guys? So there is some statement. Because of that statement, what course of action I need to take, which will help me to which will support that statement here. Okay, so let's see the course of action. The first statement is cutting down of forest is a threat to wildlife. Most of the species of animals are on the verge of extinction. So my statement is only talking about the cutting down of forest is a threat to wildlife. Now most of the species of these animals are on the verge of extinction. So they are talking about the cutting of forest. It's affecting wildlife, and it's basically its lead or its effect is the species are getting extinct and they are at the verge of extinction. Okay, now let's see the course of action. First is the species of animals which are on the verge of extinction must be protected by creating wildlife sanctuaries which contain flora that defines that a native habitat of this endangered animals. Yes, this can be course of action, because if the forests are cutting down, what we can do, we can these species which are at the verge of extinction, we can put those, or we can protect those species by putting them into the sanctuaries where we can make such kind of habitat of flora and fauna so that they can live accordingly to their their habitat. So this can be correct course of action. Second one, to the maximum extent possible, we should stop deforestation. Surely, to the maximum extent, we should try to stop deforestation. Surely, it's correct. Now, because cutting down forest is threat. Yeah. Next one, growing urban forest to compensate for deforestation. No, it doesn't mean that we should start growing urban forest. That means in urban areas we should start growing forests in urban by deploying the urban places. No, it's wrong course of action. So these two are the correct course of action, which are first and second. So I can directly say my answer nothing but option number C is correct here, because this is my correct course of action. Okay. One more thing, guys. Student face problem in solving this particular kind of question. So whenever you face problem, there is a particular dashboard which I can show you on on our Prep Insta dashboard, where you can practice the same kind of a problem. Okay. So let me show you that from where you can practice the same kind of problem here. You should go with this particular on the Prime. You can come and you can see we have a separate DXC dashboard over here. So from here you can practice problems of DXC from logical, quants, and verbal. especially the questions which I've taken from on this session. These the maximum questions of different types I've tried to take it from here, but we have solved different kind of problems from in the theory sessions, and then in the questions and answers, then in the quizzes. So if you want to try more such questions, and if you people do have doubts that what kind of questions comes in DXC, how to prepare, so you can particularly go over here on the DXC dashboard. If you are Prepensta Prime subscriber, you already know about this. If you are not, you can go for this. So this is a place from where you can practice these all problems, guys. Okay, now coming back to our again next problem here. Okay, so again this problem is from, I can say, a mix up of clocks and the directions. Okay, so now let's see this problem. Raman put his wall clock on the table in such a way that at 9 a.m. the hour hand was pointing south. In which direction will the minute hand hour points at 9:30 p.m. guys? Okay, so let's see this problem now. So let's first draw journal clock. So I know the journal clock here. This is my 12, this is my 3, this is my 6, and this is my 9. Okay, now they are saying the hour hand was pointing south at 9. So if hour hand is pointing south at 9, so surely I can say this is 9. So that means they have shifted this whole by this side in the anti-clockwise direction by one number. So I can say this is 9. If this become 9, so this will become 6, this will become 3, and this will become 12 now. Okay, now if this is my 6, guys, now they are asking in which direction the minute hand will point at 9:30. Generally at 30 the minute hand will point over here, but I know it got shifted this direction, so minute hand will point this direction at 9:30. No matter it what 9:30 10:30, surely it will be 30 will be always here halfway the whole circle. So it will point which direction? It's north, east, north, south, east, and west. So it's pointing east direction now, which is nothing but option number C, guys. I hope so this is again clear. So again, whenever you are solving problem of clocks where that in this direction at this time, always first make the journal clock and then compare it with the change. You will not get a wrong answer. Okay. Again, I hope so guys this is clear with you guys. Okay. So before ending this session, guys, we have this last question over here. Okay. So again, this question is from blood relation. So let's solve this question over here. Okay. Anu is Babita's sister. Geeta is Babita's mother. Deepak is Geeta's father. Ekta is Geeta's mother. Then how is Anu related to Deepak? Okay, guys. Again, you can pause the video and try to solve this problem. I hope so you have a pen and paper with you and throw your answers in the comments. So let's see. So Anu is Babita's sister. So let's see. So this is Anu. She is Babita's sister. Okay. Now Geeta is Babita's mother. So there is one person, Geeta, and she is Babita's mother. Now Deepak is Geeta's father. So there is one person, Deepak, and he is Geeta's father. Ekta is Deepak's mother. So there is one person, sorry, Ekta, and Ekta is Deepak's mother. Now how is Anu related to Deepak? So this is Anu, this is Deepak. I know Deepak is the grandfather of Babita, and Babita is the sister of Anu. So surely Deepak will be the grandfather of Anu also. So they are saying how is Anu related to Deepak? So Anu will be granddaughter. Yes, that is nothing but option number D. So if we draw the family tree, it will be very easy for us to come to the right answer, guys. Okay. I hope so this is again also clear with you. Cool. Okay, guys. So before ending this session, guys, very important thing that you follow us on all our social media handles, which is Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Especially Instagram, guys, because we keep on giving updates for off-campus and on-campus drives. So make sure you follow our Instagram handle. The link for the same is the description of the video, guys. Okay, one more thing, guys, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon because we keep on giving updates. We will be coming live very soon for further sessions. So whenever we'll be coming live, you'll get updates if you press the bell icon, guys. Okay, guys, so see you in the next session. Thank you so much.